one's exempt from life's sharp trials, whether faith leads you or not at all. Every soul faces temptation, smiles. So steel your heart and stand tall. Be ready for the test that comes your way. Be strong enough to face what lies ahead. Your heart cries out for joy that won't fade away, for true happiness, pure and unsaid. Oh, forgiveness waits with arms outstretched, but pride climbs high like towers to the sky. Don't let its weight leave you distressed. Humility is where peace can lie. You are my star that lights the night, my light through every twist and turn. My happiness, my world, my life. In you my heart will burn. The road gets rough, the path gets steep. Doubt can whisper, make your courage shake. But love is deep, let it be your key. Through every choice, every mistake, you've been the one to pull me through the rain. The warmth that chases all my fear away. With you I know I'll never feel the pain of walking through life's dark gray days. Oh, forgiveness waits with arms outstretched, but pride climbs high like towers to the sky. Don't let its weight leave you distressed. Humility is where peace can lie. You are my star that lights the night, my light through every twist and turn. My happiness, my world, my life. In you my heart will burn. Oh, please forgive me now. I'm thirsting for the joy that only you can bring. I promise you forevermore, my love is yours, my everything. You are my star that lights the night, my light through every twist and turn. My happiness, my world, my life. In you my heart will burn. In you my heart